Hello, my friends on the internet. This is day 356 of me making an app to end doom scrolling. Today, I'm just going to be sharing not too much of what the app does or really of much. I'm just going to be sharing what I've been learning lately if you're interested. If you're not, feel free to click off this video. Feel free to go and do the things you enjoy instead. And you do not have to feel any need to come back to this channel because I would rather you do the things you enjoy, the things you want to do with your limited time than be here. Okay. Now, if you are here and you want to be here, that's also awesome. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. um, Today, I'm just going to be sharing with you how, in general, it's going. In the last month, we've seen a crazy amount of growth. And by we, I mean it's just me working on this still. But millions and millions of views coming in from social media on my app page for Curiosity Quench, the app you're seeing on my left, right here on the screen. Those result in a lot of downloads, those result in more revenue, those result in a lot of good things. So here's a summary of what it's brought. Got about 15 million views in the last 30 days. This has brought in about $12,000 in revenue, about 40,000 users installed the app, and I haven't changed the app in the last 2 weeks. I've been working on something else that is related and adjacent. That's been going really good, but I haven't actually changed the app in about 2 weeks. And the app is still useful, still helpful, but it feels weird because I am someone who is doing everything: the marketing, building, the everything, every role, right? So it can feel when I'm not coding the app that I'm not working on it, but that's not really the case because if no one markets it, no one downloads it. So I've been spending more time on marketing, a little bit less time on coding, quite a bit less time on coding specifically in the last 2 weeks. And during this time, it has actually been the best 2 weeks for Curiosity Quench that I've seen in the last year, which is funny and it's ironic. And I'm just wanting to share that if you don't market and put out there the word of what you're doing and share it in a way that also isn't just like, hey, here's my thing, I'm making it, go use it. If you don't share it in a way that's basically not spammy, it's not going to get out there. So you have to do that. You have to make that happen. That is a part of your job if you're making an app, I guess. That's part of the gig. But that's really it for today. I don't want to take up any more of your time. I just want to put this update out there so I can look back on it for myself mostly and share that if you are a developer, you want to make things, you can, but you also need to tell people about those things that you make if you want people to use them. It's very important. Anyways, that's it for today. We're almost at a year mark. In 9 days, I'm definitely going to do something. I'm going to be running a sale and some other things. But mainly, I am going to be going out and getting some really good food on that day with my girlfriend. Anyways, you don't care. Maybe you do. Okay. Shout out to Brian. Um, I know he cares. And I'll see you guys when I see you. All right. Peace out. Bye bye.